with us. So in this video, I want to quickly show you how the drop base rally and the rally base drop, the drop base drop and the rally base rally difference, the difference between them, how they look like. Because I see some people get confused when you tell them about it. So I want to just illustrate it for you to see how it looks like. Then in our next video, I will show you the strategy on how to trade them. So stay with me to the very end of this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button, like the video, share the video so that others can benefit. And if you are yet to also join our Telegram channel, I'll drop the link in the description for you to join, because we do drop market insights and trading signals. So you do well to join us and also benefit. So now we see we have there's a pattern called the drop base rally, and also the rally base drop, and also we have four of them. We have the drop base rally, we have the rally base drop, we have the drop base drop, and we have the rally base rally. So the drop base drop usually is a strong drop in the price. You see that the price will drop significantly, and you like this. Let me show you so you can understand what I'm talking about. You see that the price will drop just like this. Then we now have the base, which is the rally. In this place is something like this. A consolidation will happen. You can see a consolidation will happen. So this consolidation is what we call the base. You see, it's what we call the base. Then after this consolidation, we'll now have the rally. I hope you get. We'll now have the rally. So mind you, this particular candle is a bearish candle. Let me make it red for you to understand. Let me put a red candle here so you can understand what I'm talking about. Let's make this red. So you see, so this particular candle, this drop here is a red candle, right? It can be series of candles. It can be one candle, it can be series of candles. All right. So that's what we call the drop. Then we now have this side here, which is referred to as the base. So here is where the consolidation happens. And we now have the rally. So usually this side is called as the demand zone. Here is usually the demand zone. So all these institutional and the big government, this is what they do. They usually put their pending order around this zone. Yeah, buy pending order, because they expect this market to push back here. After it pushes back here, it should pick their buy pending order and it will go up. I hope you get this. So there's a strategy behind this. I'll do a video for you on how to go about it. You see? So this is just to clarify for you, to make it easy. I'm just doing this video for you to understand how it looks like, for you to understand the difference. You get? So let's write the names out, right? Here is our drop. Here is our drop. This is our drop, right? So here is our base. Here is our base, which is also the demand zone, right? Let's see. So here, we'll see is the rally, right? Don't worry. Here, I'll show you this on a chart in the next video where I'll give you a strategy, the simple strategy on how to trade this. So here is our rally. Here is our rally. I hope you get this concept. Here is the base. There's a drop, right? There's a base where the market consolidates, and there's a rally. That's a strong buy. I hope you get. So the institutions will set their pending order here, their buy pending order here, because they expect this market to come back and retrace and pull their order. Then they target the next place where the market reacted, previous market reaction. The nearest, probably the nearest market reaction. So like I said, we'll do a video on each and every one of these so that you will understand. So now, next, I will talk about the rally base drop. So the rally base drop, let me take, a strong upward move will happen like this. Then a consolidation will happen. A consolidation will happen just like this. Then what happened next? A drop will happen. A drop will happen. So let's make this one red. So you see it was going up like this, which we refer to as the rally. Right? Here is our rally, which is upward movement. Then we have the base, which is the consolidation area, and we can also refer it as the supply zone, right? We have the base, or call it supply zone, right? So they will not have this sharp drop here. This sharp drop here, let's write it out. Drop, right? So in this situation, you see that a strong upward movement will happen. Then a consolidation area will happen. Then a sharp drop will happen. So it usually forms a potential, it forms a supply zone, which is this base. And we are expecting a potential sell to happen here. So the institutional, the institutions, what they do, they set in their sell limit around here because they're expecting this to move back here to tap into their zone and shoot back down. You get? So they set their sell limit around this zone. They set their sell limit around this zone, putting their stop loss just above their, you see, and their tip. Yeah, like I said, we'll do a video, a special video on that with a live chat where you see it live on the chat. I just wanted to get the concept here. I hope you get. So next is the next one is the drop base drop. So I hope you are following. The next is the drop base drop. So in that situation, where is my is? In this situation, we have a drop, right? We have a base, which is the consolidation area, like this. Then we have another drop, just like this. So here, we can change all these to red. You see? Here is the consolidation area. So what happened in this scenario? A sharp drop happens, a brief pause, which is this, like then another strong drop will happen. So this, in this situation, it means that the sell wants to continue. It's signaling us that there is a very strong potential sell, more sell. I hope you get. So here would be our drop. Already the market is already in a downtrend, and the downtrend didn't change. I hope you get. Here would be our base. Here will be our base, and we can also call it a supply zone. Our supply zone. So the institutions will wait for this market to tap back into this zone like this to continue going down. I hope you get, to continue going down, to tap back into this demand and supply zone, sorry, to continue going down. So they plot in their short position limits order here, and they target the next. You see? So this is how it looks like. Then the last one is the rally base rally. And how does that look like? Here we say is our drop, right? It's a drop. So you see drop, base, drop. So it means there was a sell. The market was already on a sell. Then the sell is still strong, right? Nothing changed. A sell is still strong. So we have the rally, base, rally. So as the name implies, I hope even with my previous explanation, you should know what to expect on this, right? On the rally base rally, we're expecting, it's usually also it's a demand zone. In this case, instead of a supply zone, it's not a demand zone in the sense that there is a strong rally, a pulse, which is the base, then another rally. There is this, in this case, is showing that there is signaling for buy continuation. Remember, on this we have sell continuation, right? So the market is already in buy like this, then it consolidated just like this, like this, like this, like this, and continue going up for buy, right? So you see the difference? Here is our base, which is our demand zone, right? Here is our base, and also serve as our demand zone. I hope you are getting me. And I hope from now on you will not get confused when you see this on your chart. So here is referred to as the rally. Here is the rally. And here is another rally, meaning it continues going up. Here is another rally. So you see, we have a rally, we have a base here, which can be referred to also as our demand zone, and we have a rally also, so meaning there was our strong buy, a consolidation happened, and the buy continue. You get, and the big institutions usually will now set their they'll set their limit order around this zone. They're expecting these markets to come, tap into this, their demand zone before it continues going up. So they basically set their limit order around this zone. There is drop this here. They set their limit order around the zone and the targets where the market has reacted previously, the most recent. You see? So this is how it looks like. Just in case you're getting confused, this is a very simple time for you to understand. So like I said, in my next video, I will teach you how to trade this. The easiest way to trade this. You can keep milking money with this. You can, if you try it and you see that it works really perfect for you, you can just depend on this and continue using this as your strategy. You get, this is a very good and very easy strategy and it's one of the oldest strategy that a lot of people are ignoring because probably they get confused each time they see some videos online or YouTube explaining this. They maybe get them more confused. So I'll do a very simple video for you. And even with this, I'm sure you must have gotten some ideas on how to trade this. But I will still try my best to do a very nice, simple video for you on how to trade each and every one of these. I'll do the video and I'll drop it in this channel. So do well to watch them. And if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section here. And I will try as much as I can to respond to your comment. Do well to like this video, share it with family and friends so that others can also benefit this. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.